Welcome to our science lesson. Today, we'll learn how science helps us understand the world around us. We use special skills and attitudes to explore and solve problems in science. Scientific attitude, belief. Belief means having a strong feeling that something is true. For example, we believe that plants need sunlight to grow. We believe that recycling helps our environment. We believe we should take care of animals because they are living beings. Scientific attitude, curiosity. Curiosity means wanting to learn more and ask questions. For example, we wonder why some animals can fly and others cannot. We are curious about how rainbows are made. We ask why some fruits grow better in certain seasons. Scientific attitude, objectivity. Objectivity means looking at things fairly without letting our feelings affect us. For example, we watch which plant grows better in sunlight without favoritism. We compare two types of seeds to see which one grows better. We check the results of an experiment based on facts, not what we hoped for. Scientific attitude, critical thinking. Critical thinking means thinking carefully to solve problems. For example, we choose the best way to do an experiment by comparing different methods. We figure out why an experiment didn't work by checking each step. We decide the best materials for a project by thinking about their pros and cons. Scientific attitude, open mindedness. Open mindedness means being willing to listen to new ideas. For example, we try different ways to solve a problem and listen to friends' suggestions. We accept new scientific ideas even if they are different from what we thought. We listen to a friend's idea for a project and give it a try. Scientific attitude, inventiveness. Inventiveness means using creativity to come up with new ideas. For example, we make a bird house from recycled materials. We create an experiment to see how plants grow in different types of soil. We design a new way to measure how much water a plant needs. Scientific attitude, responsibility. Responsibility means taking care of tasks and being reliable. For example, we keep our science notebook neat and do our homework on time. We clean up after a science experiment and return materials properly. We do our part in a group project and help our teammates. Science skill, observing. Observing means noticing and describing what we see, hear, smell, touch, or taste. For example, we watch how a plant's leaves change color in different seasons. We notice how animals behave in their homes. We observe how ice melts at different temperatures. Science skill, measuring. Measuring means using tools to find out the size, length, or amount of something. For example, We measure the length of a worm with a ruler. We use a thermometer to check the temperature of water. We measure rainfall with a rain gauge. Science skill classifying. Classifying means grouping things based on their similarities. For example, we sort rocks into groups like smooth, rough, or shiny. We classify animals into mammals, birds, or reptiles. We group plants by whether they have flowers. Science skill inferring. Inferring means making a guess based on what we observe. For example, we guess it might rain because the sky is cloudy. We infer that a plant needs more water if its leaves are droopy. We guess an animal's diet by looking at its teeth. Predicting, it's a science skill. Predicting means guessing what will happen in the future based on what we've seen. For example, we predict a plant will grow taller with more sunlight. We predict a balloon will pop if we blow more air into it. We predict how a toy car will move based on the ramp's slope. Science attitudes like beliefs, curiosity, and responsibility help us explore and understand. Science skills like observing, measuring, classifying, inferring, and predicting help us investigate and learn. This time, think about a recent science experiment you did. What skills and attitudes did you see? Discuss with a partner how these skills and attitudes helped you solve a problem or answer a question.